Greetings and welcome to Goldie's Akihabara Armor Construction Lessons. This is the second video in the Evangelion Eva Type 1 series. This video is going to show you the separate parts used in putting together the body from cardboard pattern to final product. For specific techniques, check out some of the other videos. You can see the cardboard used here. It is similar in texture to that of a postcard. Make your model from this first, adjusting it by cutting pieces off or duct taping new parts and taping it all together before you start cutting the urethane. And now, let's get to the body. Start with the base of the chest. You can see Goldie likes to put the bond on the entire piece before applying the vinyl. On top, we're using black vinyl for this. It's going to be the base for everything that we apply to the chest. These are some other portions of the back, wraps around, connected to the chest. You can see it coming together here with the neck, the nape of the neck there as well. They're very large pieces, so you're going to apply the vinyl separately on both sides and then connect the pieces together along with the vinyl. These are connecting pieces here. We're going to connect them with bond on the inside and put magic tape on the outside. We'll connect the chest with the back with this magic tape, like so. These are more connecting pieces. You can see the Velcro on one side. The other side is going to be connected with bond to the body on the inside. This is the underside of the arms connecting the chest, the front, and the back, and this is how the base of the chest and back is going to look. Moving on, we have the neck portion here. You know, the Evangelion Type 1 has bright orange neck, and these are the separate pieces that we're going to be using. Looks great on the black background there. Moving on, we have the chest portion. There's going to be several layers in the chest. This is the first layer with purple vinyl on top. That's going to come and be placed like so. Moving on to the next piece. You're going to have actually two pieces. You're going to have one underneath and one on top with detailing. You're going to have those holes cut out, put silver vinyl on top of that, and that piece is going to go on top of the purple piece. Next we have kind of a part of the backpack. There's something on the back of Evangelion. You're going to taper the cuts of the edges so you get 90-degree angles or 45-degree angles here, depending on the taper cut. Put them all together like so, and put vinyl on top of that. This is another portion here. There's a number of several portions you're going to be putting together. Taper cuts along the edges, so you get the 90-degree angle. Put bond on top of that to attach it to the vinyl, and you're going to give it a purple covering, like so. And this is the final piece that comes right on top of the little backpack portion here. It's going to have a rounded edge to the top with another piece of urethane on top of that. Put bond on top of that, and with purple vinyl finish. On the other side, you're going to use silver vinyl to cover the edges, and you're also going to use green see-through layer of vinyl to give it that nice green. This is the entire backpack piece all together. Here's another look at it from a separate angle. And we're going to detail it with some black pieces of vinyl that just are stuck right on top of there. Moving on, we have the kind of plug hole in the back in two layers with the detailing portion in it. Put silver vinyl on top of that. And the hole that you created in the center, we're going to actually cover that with silver vinyl as well. Give it a rounded look to it, and put that one piece right back in the middle there. And we're going to be connecting that to the backpack portion with Velcro action. See that on the inside. See some Velcro along the edges there. And this is how it all looks on the inside. Next, we'll move on to the shoulder portion here. We're going to have vinyl on the back in behind these cuts, and we're actually going to cut off the edges like you can see here. Put purple vinyl on top of that, and there's going to be some steel rings that are put in those holes with a red sticker inside. Finally, we're going to move to the last portion of the chest. See, it's going to be sticking out quite a bit with purple vinyl, silver vinyl, with green see-through vinyl on top. that. And this is the final product. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Keep an eye out for the third part in the series. Thanks for watching. See you next time.